You guys think that bad water pump? You tell me. It died on the road. Woohoo! Alright, we finally got it out. See if you get that up close. It wants to focus. You friggin' camera. Focus! There she goes. So yeah, she was bad. Here's the new one. And you gotta kinda flip up over and then back in. I had to bring this hose down a little bit. I had to take this off of the mount. You can see it right there. So a little bitty, couple of 8mm bolts, so 13mm head. That clamp, just the way it was really getting in my way, so I just pushed it off to the side for now. And yeah, like I said, I had to bring that down about a good inch just to get enough play, pop her out. It's kind of like playing Tetris as I go back out of focus. There we go. But yeah, new one's ready to go in. Woohoo! And you know the fun part? It got sunny and really humid out here over the past couple hours, and it's, what time is it? 5:30, 5:25 on Friday afternoon. Woohoo, overtime. Well, y'all take care, and yeah, I'm gonna get this guy done again and then fill her back up with brand new coolant, because we only had like maybe 2.5 gallons left in it. Fun stuff was towed in. Exciting. Alright, so now sucking her full of coolant again. She's holding vacuum really good, which is nice. Held vacuum for a few minutes and then started filling her up. You gotta love this. This is way better than trying to pour in and purge the bubbles and get it to burp and all this other stuff. This is the way to do it. You just turn the air nozzle on that's on the right, and when your one on the left is closed, one on the left is for the coolant in. Just let it suck it all the way down to 23 to 27 inches of mercury. You do want to block off your surge hose though, because when you're sucking vacuum it'll stop at about 15. But vice grips or a pair of just hose clamp pliers will do. And yeah, hopefully we'll get this thing up and running.